Okay, so boys and girls, this is tonight's homework. Homework for Tuesday, February 20th, 2018. I only want you to do, please pay attention to this, I only want you to do numbers 2, 4, you should be circling yours at the same time, 6, 8, 10, and 12. Okay? Then I want you to come down here to the bottom, and I want you to do numbers 13 and 14. And then back here on the other side, I want you to do numbers 1 and 2. Do you follow me? All right. You do not have to do the rest of the problems. Okay? If you choose to do those, that's fine. Now, let me make this abundantly clear. Listen to me carefully. Homework is meant for extra practice. It is not meant to be a torture session. If you start this, and even after watching the video and getting help, in 30 minutes or so, if you're feeling very frustrated after trying, I don't mean like sitting there at the kitchen table and pretending to do your homework. I mean, you're actually tried for 30 minutes. Stop. I would rather you focus on this, get a few problems done, than work to a level of frustration. You don't learn when you're frustrated. Okay. So I'm going to actually talk about number 7 right now as an example. So this is 8 times 3,250. I am going to round to the nearest thousand. I'm going to zoom in a little bit here. I'm going to round to the nearest thousand. So whatever place you have, whether it's the nearest 10, the tens place, or the hundreds place, you round to that number. So my question now, I'm going to ask myself, I'm going to think of a number line. And I'm going to think, here's 3,000, and here's 4,000. Here's 3,500. Is this side or this side where 3,250 is? To the left. So it's 8 times 3,000. Well, I know that 8 times 3 is 24. So I put down the 24, and then I bring down my zeros. 1, 2, 3. 24,000. And that is how you estimate a product by rounding. When it gets down here, I want to show you an example. It talks about the answer is between. You're going to do 4 times 90. Then you're going to do 4 times 100. And you're going to have 2 answers. Because what we did was we rounded up and we rounded down. You're going to have 2 answers so that you can get what it's between. So this particular situation, 4 times 9 is 36. It's 360. 4 times 100. So I would say my answer is between 360 and 400. Okay? This down here talks about whether or not it's reasonable. So you're going to go through and do your estimating. And you're going to talk about whether the answer that he has makes sense based on the estimating that you just did. And the back this is again estimating because it has those words about. Okay? Remember that we are estimating. If you get super duper stuck, you can look up estimating products, and there is a YouTube channel called Mrs. McCarthy's Math. And she's really good. Okay? All right, that should answer all of your questions. Again, do not frustrate yourself. Please practice these problems, and 30 minutes is your cutoff time.